Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on RedMagic 9S Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then go to settings. And now you have to go to Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match and click here to enable Hey Google. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Then you have to scroll down again and click I agree and click next. Now click next again and scroll down and click I agree. Then click on return your voice match model and you have to say OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And now click on next, next, more, and I agree. Then you can go back, go to lock screen, click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.